Okay, YouTube, doing some paint touch-ups on the inner fenders here. I have to do this once in a while. Rock chips get bad, so take a wire brush, get it all down to bare metal. I got color match paint. Right now I got the first layer of primer on there, and it is a beautiful day for it. Very slight breeze at most, no bugs or anything. This one only had 2 spots. Top was actually still really good. Just got to get it before it gets bad here. Hoping I can get this guy, the F-150 with AIDS. As you may have seen with my other video, this one actually has been diagnosed with AIDS. Okay, what does the scanner say?
Coach, I've got AIDS.
Here are the cans of Napa mixed factory color paint. So what I'm gonna do 2 layers of primer, let it cure, dry and cure there, and then I'm gonna do 3 layers factory paint, and then 3 layers of clear coat. I might have to wait till tomorrow to do the clear coat. Okay, got the second layer of primer on there. Let that sit for a while. Then we'll get the first layer of color match paint on. First layer of color matched paint on there. I'm gonna do 3 layers of paint, and then I'm gonna do 3 layers of clear coat. Okay, just got the last coat of color match paint on the inner fender there. It took all night. It's morning now. It took all night for that last one to dry. So after this dries up a little later today, start hitting it with clear coat, and we'll be good again. I really don't think I'd have to do this, really, because I don't take this off-road or down gravel, this one, but I wouldn't have to do this at all if there wasn't gravel on our highways. That highway over there is covered in gravel. Our in-town roads, both towns nearby, covered in gravel. Just gravel everywhere. Just chips up your paint real bad. After I find some decent fender flares for it to protect it, this will be a summer truck, and I want to put 14 wides on it with some offset and a lift. This was supposed to be the winter truck, but it's failed for 2 winters because it's a Ford. And get this one running this weekend, hopefully, the Ford here. And if that happens, we'll put the exhaust out through that stack there. So I actually hope this thing gets running now. Yeah, that would look really cool. That's gonna look really nice. Classy. Okay, let's start taking this off. And it turned out really nice. Yeah, they all had those rock chips all up in here, and it's getting down to bare metal all around, just because it's a 9-year-old truck and they put a lot of gravel down everywhere, and gravel at home. Next thing I'm getting is some sort of protector for the wheel wells. Not the giant pocket flares, just something that just goes kind of flush with the side. I don't want to have something sticking this far out. No, that'd be good. But anyhow, that's that.